Today, on this episode, we're making waffles. So, we have our fake Canadian Aunt Jemimas.
Fake Canadian?
That's why I said fake Canadian.
Oh.
So essentially what you want to do is you want to add 2 cups of mixture and then 1.5 cups of water, and then you'll get anywhere between 12 and 18 pancakes. But we're making waffles.
I just read the directions.
And then what I did is I made it pink with sprinkles. Continuing this endeavor, you then want to preferably not, or maybe oil your waffle maker machine. Put your goop inside. Just whatever you do, when you go to stick this in there, just make sure not to overflow it, because this can happen, and then, yeah, it'll scream at you. Oh, look, and then you have a marvelous waffle. There are sprinkles in it, too. In the batter and stuff. They're little hearts for Valentine's Day, and I really wanted to make it pink. But yeah, so we made some waffles, and we're making more.
My words are slurring. Chasing cheese, man, I've been a vermin. I'm in the cut, but I ain't a surgeon. I'm your favorite rapper, but the sicker version. This shit determines those men from sheep. I've been at work while y'all been asleep. I got 1 million down, it's not shit